Whoa, it's a nice day out. Sunny but still a bit cold, but it's good. In today's video, what I'm gonna be talking about is how to count in Mandarin from 1 to 10. Inspired by a friend of mine who asked me the other day, hey, how do you count in Mandarin? So I was like, okay. I was explaining. Then he's like, oh, it's too much. So I decided I'm gonna make a series of videos. So I'm gonna be making them in segments of counting in 10 different videos. So let's go. 1 is E, 2 is 3 is San, 4 is Si, 5 is U, 6 is Leo, 7 is Chi, 8 is Ba, 9 is Zhou, 10 is Shi. And that's so you count from 1 to 10 in Mandarin. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll keep these coming. And stay tuned for more excited videos about how to count in Mandarin. So as I said, I'm going to be making videos till we reach 100 in Mandarin. So stay tuned. Every day is going to be a new video about how to count in Mandarin. Remember to like, share and subscribe.